So when the rumors started to circulate around the next-gen Xbox console, it was first suggested that Microsoft was working on two devices, one a more powerful unit and the second one a slightly slower machine, similar to what we're at right now with Xbox One X and the Xbox One S. Now, the more powerful unit was then called Anaconda, but eventually got the name Scarlett, which is rumored to be the successor to today's Xbox One X. The simpler and cheaper sibling was given the codename Lockhart, which was rumored to be the successor to the Xbox One S. Now, it has been extremely quiet about the Lockhart unit, and many people even thought it was cancelled until now. Now, this leak comes from Jason Schreier, who is a journalist working at Kotaku, who is notorious for revealing all sorts of secrets with his sources in the industry. According to Schreier's inside sources, the Xbox Lockhart is a cheaper version of Scarlett without an optical reader and performance about the same level as Sony's current PlayStation 4 Pro. Xbox Lockhart gets the same SSD-based storage solution as Scarlett. The system processor is also said to be significantly faster than any of the models in the current generation of consoles. The performance target for next-gen consoles, we're looking at 4K and 60 FPS for Scarlett, while Xbox Lockhart is set to target at 4040p and 60 FPS. Now, it should also be said that it doesn't mean that every single game out there launching on these consoles will live up to that performance, but yeah, it is the target that Microsoft is pushing developers to hit. The report further states that Microsoft will market Xbox Lockhart as part of xCloud, which is Microsoft's brand new gaming streaming service. Now, because Lockhart won't have a disc reader, it becomes a logical partner for the combination of streaming games via xCloud and an influx of digital games via the Xbox Game Pass subscription service. If it turns out that Microsoft has more powerful cloud hardware than Google has, for example, we might as well be able to run many games beyond the hardware specification for the console, and 4K and 60 FPS might as well be a possibility if you ask me. Now, keep in mind though, if you want to be able to take full advantage of xCloud, a powerful high-speed quality connection is going to be required here. Anyway, Lockhart can be a very interesting machine for anyone that want to give Microsoft new console a try without having to spend a premium price for a next-gen console. And so in terms of pricing, well, Microsoft hasn't spoken out about the pricing for these consoles yet, but considering the hardware we have covered in the past, asking more than $350 for Lockhart would be quite unreasonable, at least in my opinion. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts here. Anyway, both consoles will be launched at the same time and developers are expected to support both, and according to the report, some developers are expressing concern that it will hamper the ambition of developing games for the next-gen consoles, as they need to make sure that all games can run without stutter on Lockhart as well, and not just the more powerful Xbox Scarlett. This is obviously going to hold game developers back a bit, but yeah, hopefully they can come up with a solution that doesn't impact the future of the visual aspects of modern games too much here. That is my hopes at least. Anyway, both Xbox Scarlett and Sony PlayStation 5 will launch in holiday in 2020 with an SoC from AMD and focus on short loading times via SSD-based storage. According to reports, the PlayStation 5 will also be launched in several models, and this is something that I've talked about in videos in the past. Now, in case you are interested in what models Sony's got for us, you find that video along with a few more interesting videos related to the Xbox Scarlett listed down below, I should say. Now, I'm gonna keep you guys up to date with Scarlett and PS5 all the way up to launch day, and so if you don't want to miss any leaks, you definitely want to subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, I want to know what you think. What is your thoughts on xCloud? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna be back with a brand new video in just a day or two. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, have an awesome day, alright?